Good afternoon, students. In this video, we will continue our chapter 9. Chapter 9. The remaining question answer will be done in this video. Okay. So, see question number 4. Which of the things in the following list are non-living? Plug, mushroom, sewing machine, radio, boat, water handcloth, and earthworm. In this list, you have to find out which are non-living things. First, plug, sewing machine, radio, boat are non-living things because mushroom, the water handcloth is a water plant, aquatic plant, so it is a living things, and earthworm is a living thing. So plug, sewing machine, radio, and boat are non-living things in given list. Next, give an example of non-living things which shows two characteristics of living things. In this question you have to give an example that is a non-living things but it has a two property or two characteristics of living things. You can take example of car which has a movement that it needs a fuel to run, like living things. Okay, and we can take example of cloud which shows movement and it grow in size. Okay, next, which of the non-living things listed below were once part of a living thing? Butter, leather, soil, wool, electric bulb, cooking oil, salt, apple, and rubber. In these things you have to find out all of these are non-living things, but some of them are once part of the living thing, so you have to find that object. In these things, butter, leather, wool, cooking oil, apple, and rubber. These things are non-living things but they were once a part of living things. Question number 7. List the common characteristics of the living things. You know that living thing has a growth, it has a movement, it's reproduce, it's breathe, excrete. So these are the common characteristics of living things. जैसे ये some common characteristics of living things are growth, movement, reproduction, respiration, and excretion. Question number 8. Explain why speed is important for survival in the grassland for animals that live there. Okay. Speed is important for survival in the grassland for animals to avoid predation from their predators. For example, tiger eats deer to survive. Tiger eats deer in grassland. To survive, deer has to run faster than tiger. Then deer will be survive in grassland. So that's why the speed is important in given in grassland. Okay. So this chapter is finished today. The question answer is completed today, and next video we will do the keywords of this chapter. Okay. So I am sending this question answer in group. Note on your copy. Okay class, thank you.